Hey, I got a 2016, actually 14 to 19. They should be the same. I'm gonna be replacing this 7-inch screen to a 10-inch with the Apple CarPlay and everything else. It's called an Android Apple CarPlay. So I'm gonna start off running the mic from here all the way down here. Since I took everything, don't look at this, this is remote starter. So I'm gonna run it from here, kind of pull it out like so, and then run the wire through from there and go straight down there. I usually don't put it over here because that's an airbag, so I kind of right here, so it pop, it going this way instead of blowing. But really I don't keep this either right there. I took this off this clip. So in order to work on it, so you want to come down to the passenger side and coming over here and use the door trim remover. You can use the plastic one that came with it. You start off by pry it a little bit and then coming over here, and be careful, you will break them. So keep moving it a little bit at a time, and then use your hand, just pull it out no more than 1.5 inches. If you do, you can break them. See that one, if I pull from here now, it can break. So I need to come over here to that driver's side. So now I come over here and put the tool and twist it like this. And then now I don't want to pull it yet, because you see right there, there's another clip right there. So I'm gonna go up here and pry it lightly, gently. Now there you go. It's not even anything. See this clip, it's all plastic. It's usually metal, but yep. So now I just leave it like that. So now there should be 2 10mm down here, and then now you're gonna have to pry this out also, the vent. I'm gonna keep it like that. I hate to take everything completely off. You could by pushing the tab right here, push it down and pull it out. So at this case, you want to come down here and pry it out about 1 inch right here, and pry it out here the same way. Sometimes you had to start it off from here a little bit, but remember, this will break easily. Just keep it up there, the same as the other side. Other side you cannot do what I'm doing earlier, so you can come down here and twist it right here. I'll take it back. You want to remove, put your tool right like that and pry it out a little bit at a time. Coming over here, coming over there, lightly, gently, and then pull it with your hands, and you should be able to, like that. And once you get that, you can just pry it out like so right here, and then pry it out right here, and it's just gonna come out like so. And then now you'll see 1 10mm right there and 1 10mm right there. Just take a 10mm socket and take it out. So coming out here, right here, I usually use the drill for that. As you can see, I don't take it all the way out because it's gonna drop. I don't want that to drop, and you're gonna have a hard time finding it. I just use my hand and move it to the left like that. See? And just do all 4 of them. So now just take your hand and shake it left and right, and slide it out. And then you'll see a bunch of wire right there. So all of this are clips, like antenna right here. Just push a clip down, pull, down, and pull right there. Just do all the same. They just push it down and pull. So now if you open the Android, the 10-inch, I want to put it upside down, not upside down. Don't worry about the scratch, it's just a plastic that cover that. You can see right there and right here. And basically what we're gonna need is, we gotta look at the plug, okay? The plug with the CAN bus will be the correct one, but it should be this one because it should work with the steering wheel and everything. So let's try see if this is the right CAN bus. If not, we have to go the opposite way. So let's see, it just plug and play. So let me plug a couple of them and see if this is the right one. Now the antenna looks right. I'm gonna plug the antenna. The rest are easy, guys. This is probably the most simple one that I've done, but I hate saying that because I jinx myself. So this is power, and then this is for the speaker. So one of these right there, this is for power. One with the yellow wire. I'm using one hand to do the install, so and try to get close for the camera part. My cameraman quit on me, so now I have to do it myself. Oh, let me just plug it in first. So I got that for the power and the speaker, the front speaker. Now I got the rear speaker to plug in. And this is not a JBL system, so it's pretty simple. Now I got this wire right there. This will cover the steering wheel control right there. Hopefully I'm right, because every system is different. This one, specific one, I ordered from Amazon myself. Okay, here's a couple more plug right there that you have to plug. I don't know all of them, and if it fit on this one with the pink wire and such. Let me make sure. Yeah, let's go right there. It's like I said, it's plug and play. I'm just looking for whatever that fit. Now I don't know what this is, and I don't know what this is either. It's a smaller version. Is it this one? I mean, if it's all plug and play, that'd be great, but this I don't know what it is. And this is backup video camera, this piece right there. So in this one, it's not the right one. Hold on. This might be it. Backup video. Oh, okay. We don't need this one because they have two options. This little one right here, it's also backup video camera too, but this one is not need to be plugged, and this one is for that. So one of they basically the same, but one of them will go fit on the other type. And I got antenna and everything already hooked up. So this blue and pink one's gonna go to the screen itself, and then this one will plug into the backup camera. I'm gonna go to the radio itself, the screen. So I'm not gonna be using that. I'm gonna use the two USB, and one of them I'm not gonna use because I saw this right here. This I'm gonna use this. This will go to the USB plug. I don't know exactly where the plug is at the factory, the original one, but I'm just gonna use this and plug it in to that gray one right here, and make sure it's clipping in like so. You hear that click? Yep. And make sure it don't come right off. A lot of people put it in and then they wonder why it didn't work. So coming back over here again, I'm gonna just wire this GPS right here. GPS, you can literally put it in the back of it. You don't have to worry about bad signal. It's pretty good signal. I haven't experienced a bad signal for GPS yet. So I got that hooked up. I got the cameras gonna be on the last one right here. Just make sure underneath there's no hard metal or anything like that. And then you're gonna need to plug this one. This is for the microphone for the Bluetooth. Here's a microphone or subwoofer if you're installing an aftermarket amp, but you need to hook this mic up. This is amp turn on, hook up an amp. And then you're gonna need this 6 pin USB right there. This is where I'm gonna put this at. Literally, I shove it down there, try to pull this out right here. And this one is a clip-on. You can push this right here and pull this out if you want it out. I don't do that. Too much work. And then just put it back right there. It's got like a hook looking like so. I forgot I forgot to mention, you squeeze, put one of your hand this way and your right hand this way and squeeze it in and push it down. It will come down. But you don't have to take it all the way out. Cause there's a, I don't know, you can see it. Let's see. This gotta stay in like so. Same as the other one. It's gotta go in like that to get in the right clip. Right there. See that? Whoop. Whew. Where? The camera. Yep. And it should be open normal. I leave it for them like this so they can plug in the USB for if they need to hook up any sort of USB plug-in. Now I'm gonna kind of adjust where the top and bottom is at, and then I'm gonna use two hands. I'm gonna put everything, plug everything in. Make sure this plug to your camera. The one that's don't just pick one, because one of this is not the right one. You want this one right here with the thicker, longer piece, and then this one will go, the pink and blue will go to the 8th one, which is right next to this right here. And then you got that, this one right here, the 6, the 4 pin. This one will go to the next one, and then the 6 pin is the one that I ran from the, where's it at? Oh man, don't tell me I dropped it. Yep. I don't see it. Yep, I dropped it. Now I gotta look for it. It should be on the bottom right here, because I ran it right there. You can see everything's plugged up. You can tape this up so it don't come loose. All this, the purple and blue, or the pink and blue is right next to this jacks. And then I got the, where's my Bluetooth plug at? Oh, it's still down here. So I need to run this up all the way up here so I can plug to this mic right here. And then I forgot to mention, this is, you got to take the clip from the factory radio and put on here. There's 2 of them. Here, what you want to do, you want to take a flathead and put it right here like so, and make sure it don't fly away. Okay, it flew away. This, lift it, like twist it and push it out like so. Whoop, push it out like that. See how it's just kicking out? So you better be careful. At least put your body in front so it hits you back and bounce right there instead of go everywhere else. If you want to do with your nail, just grab it like this, but don't break your nails. I just do what just right here, because a lot of time I lose a couple clips. Oh, talking about that. Yep. Lucky it hit me a little bit. That's how you do it. You put it all back. Got the GPS done right here. You can stick it right there. Take the tape off. Clean it up a little bit. You probably noticed why I put this right here. I put this right here to protect the screen from damage. Even though it's got a screen protector, but still, I'm taking this white tape out and stick it down there somewhere where I was just cleaning that. And it's gonna stay like that. Ain't gonna go nowhere. So now, just turn the car on. See if it works. It came on so quick because I got the good one, the 464 gigs. So now let's see, we got the oh, I gotta go home. Where's the home at? Home right here. Uh-oh. No good. Oh. This is home. So I am on the home page. That's probably why. Let's put on radio, see if it's got sound. So it does have sound. I'm not gonna put the music on, but it does have sound. So there's a lot of options. See if this thing work, or I had to program it. Say volume. So I got volume up and down working. Let's say if the mode work. This is for the phone, pick up and up, and then press mode. Yep, mode right there working fine. So everything working okay. And if there's a lot of setting right there, back right there. This is for music, radio, Chrome, auxiliary, and stuff. So now you sync your Bluetooth, it should work perfectly with your Apple CarPlay link. Thanks for watching.